How's that? Can you see me? All right, so this is what I got going on. Let me see. Let's do some charts. Square. I don't know. I was a hero yesterday, and now I'm not. But I'm liking Amazon right now. That's the title of this video. Look at this chart. This is a weekly. Excuse me. I got mad gas. So I'm live on Periscope too, y'all. Trading Scared over there on Twitter. Look at how you got this wide range bar, then you got, it's like the bottom, and then it kind of gives that higher low. I like that right there. And I was eyeing this yesterday. I sold some, I actually sold some out of the money puts on this thing right about the, what was those orders, the 1650. I kind of went high. But basically, I sold like a $5 spread for like 220, so you kind of know where I was at, and I sold like 3 of them, and right now they're making money. I'm liking this a lot, actually going higher. This is before any news came out. Look over here at this is the 5-minute chart. I'll bring it up on the big screen. Let's see that 5 minutes. I mean, look what's happening right now. It's just been steadily rising all day. So I was liking this yesterday, and let me see if I can show you what's up. What was I liking? What did I notice? I can't find it. I forgot what chart I was on. I think it was the hourly. No. It will hit me in the face once I bring it up. Is it daily? No, I can't find what I was liking, but you know, I like this. Let me expand out a little bit. So you see how it's just making lower lows and lower highs, and right here, look at that bottom. You know, big candle. You know, undecided right there. All of that range and undecided. Then look at that wide range bar. It's opened on the lows and closed on the high. That's a sign right there. You know, and then all of this right here, you know, they say, you know, Amazon and the techs haven't been playing around. To me, haven't been participating in that rally just because they've been consolidating. They've been taking that breath. Let me look up here because I'm doing YouTube. I'm sitting there talking to Periscope. Sorry, you guys looking at the top of my head. They're taking they was taking a breath. They wasn't winning. They wasn't losing. It was just straight up consolidation. And it now appears that it's going to break out. Even if you look in the consolidation, you see this low candle, then right here a lower low, and then now it's higher. It's got some resistance right here. Let me see what we got. Where's the exact resistance? It's kind of choppy, but I'm gonna say somewhere around the 1670. I was liking it. There was some resistance around 1640. I had an alert set, and then I kind of watched it a little bit more. It opened up strong. And then I was in. So if you look at this as well, this is just what I'm looking at. It's not a let me see. Let me go to a weekly real quick. Yeah, I'm seeing like, you know, here. No, that's not it. Let me go to hourly. I can't find the charts that I was picking out yesterday because I wanted to show you what I was looking at, and I couldn't get online fast enough. I just lost my light. I hope you can still see me. Let me see. Look at that chart, man. Look at that. No, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Anyway, so Periscope's not seeing me too well. So anyway, yeah, I just like it. You know, I sold some calls. I sold some puts. I bought a call spread, and I'm gonna go ahead and be in this trade for a while. My last several videos was looking at Square. It's just, this chart is just unbelievable. Look what's going on here. How it's given all of that back from yesterday. It's not surprising, but damn, I mean, you opened all these videos on Square. You open down 7%. You rock it up 8%, and you're going down back. I don't know, what is this? Another 5%. Hopefully, it kind of holds here, and maybe it's shaking all of these people out. It was like mad confusion yesterday. You know, people were short, and I think maybe they tried to lean on a little bit. didn't work, and then all of a sudden it's just rocketing higher. Now they had to buy back to close those positions. And up here, maybe a new day, it was like, oh, I'm gonna short it again. I'm gonna short it, you know, because it came right out the gate, just down, just going down, and you know. So what? To me, that's games. This is some kind of manipulation going on for sure. This is just, it's just the way it is. Somebody lost, some big fund lost big money, and they trying to change the market, in my opinion. This is games. This is just this is just all over the place. It doesn't even make sense. Chart like that don't make sense, you know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just kind of eyeing Amazon, right? Oh, and Google, by the way. I had some I think the FANG stocks is getting ready to make a run. If you just look at, they, you know, they've been consolidating over that. I'm trying to go to a better period here, you know, over June for the most part. Like if you look at the low, here's Google's uh Christmas Eve low. You know, it's been going up just slightly noticed, but right about here, I mean, it's just been consolidating, you know. Little, it's just up 20, down 20, up 20. um I'm liking it. You know, I got faked out somewhere over here. I sold, what did I do right here? And I was early. See, I have a bad time, a hard time of getting in too early, because when a stock is pushing up on resistance, like say, I'm trying to get my drawing out, my little circle drawing. When the stock is pushing up, here's, let me get a line here first. That's with some drawing tools. We'll call this resistance right here, not the straightest line, right? And when the stock is pushing up on resistance, I'm changing tools again. Come on, that's it. It's not letting me. There we go. Okay, so this push up on resistance, I'm always afraid like the next day it's gonna like open up 20 points higher and it's gonna be up here and I'm gonna miss it. You know, so I anticipate it, and I always get in just a little early. I was liking this candle right here, nice wide body candle, closed on the highs. So I was like, oh man, it's just gonna blow through, and it didn't. So I got kind of jammed out. What did I do? I sold right here. I sold some puts, I think it was, and it had dropped down. Yeah, I think I sold the 40, 45 puts when it was up here at 1150. I sold 1145, 1140s. So that means as long as it stays above 1145 over the 21-day period I sold them, I'm good. I'm good. You know, so I gave it some time, and immediately it bounced back. And this is what I got to learn not to do. I have to wait for it to be above this resistance line. So I'm liking this, but what I need to do, like here right now, is getting ready to push up on it. I mean, I really should be no play until it gets up there, and then there's play. You know, so it had dropped down. I held on to it. I held on to it, and I thought it was going up. I was like, okay, good. It dropped down again. I was like, held on to it, held on, and I sold it today. I sold it for virtually, I don't know, $30 loss or something like that. And I only lost because all that time decay spent on that, um, it was just gone. Okay, so anyway, not bad. So that was that. And that's what, let me stop tapping, and that's what's going on. So I hope this video was clear. I was working on oh, I was just able to go live. So this is the first time I'm going live, and the reason why is because Google just allowed me to go live. Thank you, Google. Thank you very much. I hate this light. I need to change this light. So that's what's going on. Let's see what the market is doing in general. I'm gonna pull up the 5 minutes. You already see I got my lines drawn in over here. If you notice, I have no indicators on, and I just kind of gauge price action to see what's going on. You know, here's some and I got charts with price with some indicators, but I don't know. It's just a nice clean screen. You know, I don't know if this is going to roll over or not. I mean, the overall direction is up. You know, well, there's my circle. The overall direction is going up. You know, so, but let's see. It almost looks like it gapped higher. It filled the gap. It's coming back up. And what is it going to do now? It's kind of hitting. Let me change my drawing again. You know, it kind of bumped up along this resistance. And what is it going to do? Is it going to roll over? Or is it going to continue high? Continue higher? I don't know. We shall wait and see. I think it's going higher. You know, just kind of struggling against that resistance. Tesla's getting killed today because I forgot what was in the news. Look at that, just boom. What is this down? 8.5%. But overall, I like it in this range. You know, remember that I did that video. Yeah, let me pull up the monthly. What's going on? You know, it's going up. It's all of this is big chop consolidations going up. It's doing the same thing, and eventually, it's going to resolve, in my opinion, to the upside because the whole chart is going up. You know, that's what pressures. That's where it's going to go. So, what to do in this situation? Like I said, I did a video on this. See the bottom of this range? Let me try to draw the circle. Yeah, see the bottom of this range? Buying here, and right now it's starting to enter here, so that's why I actually like this as a sign to buy. Although it's down 8.5%, it looks like it might close on its lows. Tomorrow it might kind of bump down, and boom, that's when you can kind of jump onto it. But it might jump down to this 250, and I don't think it's going to break the support down here. You know, but this is a range, you know, I think you could nibble on, because remember, this is not something that's going to change tomorrow. I don't know if I could put my cell phone up there. Nah, I don't like it. You see all my junk. I'll hold it right here. This is not something you're going to change. This is not something that's going to just change tomorrow. You buy it now, a couple of days it's going up. No, look right here. This is 1, 2. This is 3 years. And if you was patient in those 3 years, you got rewarded. You know, with that jump, you know, so you can just kind of accumulate, you know, when it's low, you know. So that's what my plan is with this one. So it's just accumulating, and I think eventually we will see that 425, 450. You know, maybe they sell more of these $35,000 S cars or whatever, and you know, they figured out how to make it go 500 miles, and everybody's going to want to jump on it. Oh, short's going to get scared. And that's what's going to happen. That's what happened right here. That's what happened right here. And guess what? That's what's going to happen right there. You know, so let's just be patient and see. Look at AT&T. I sold all my AT&T, and look at that. It's got like a little reverse head and shoulders. What I'm saying. That last earnings report, everybody's peeling off, man. They are losing. Okay, they bought DirecTV for growth. They're losing DirecTV subscribers. They're losing cable subscribers. They're trying to make content. I just don't see it. It pays a great dividend, but I just don't. It's not going nowhere. This company is losing thousands of subscribers daily, and it's not going to turn around. Everybody's streaming. They're coming out with a streaming service. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't have faith in it. Uverse, their internet sucks. You know, it's just no good. And I think that's one of the main reasons, in my opinion, that they bought Time Warner, because they needed that good internet with that cable. But that's just my opinion. But look at that. Look at over here. Look at this 5-minute chart. And I don't even know what news is out. Look at that. God damn. And I was like, I sold it at somewhere like 30, you know. And it's probably over here. I don't know where. This is a 5-minute chart. Anyway, I'm like, wow, it's going higher. 31.43. I'm looking at this thing. I'm like, hey. Okay. I'm kind of going, okay, it's weird. You know, I knew I should have shorted it. You know, I would have done that by buying puts. And boom, look at that. I think it's going back to 29. It's lows. Let me pull up the weekly. Right? Oh, actually, it was 26. Oh, yeah, Christmas Eve, probably right there. I didn't realize it got that low. That probably would have been interesting just for a bounce, but I think it's going back down. And look at the direction of this, man. It's I keep getting this box up. I want to clear all drawings. Remove drawings. Yes, yes. Get my trend line going. Okay, sorry guys. Look at this. I mean, that's what it's just. This is a perfect short entry right there. Bouncing up resistance. This chart is low. Yeah, it's perfect. I think it's going down to 27. It's going down to its lows. So, all right. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah, I just wanted to say that I like AMZN right now. Even though, let me see what the Qs are doing. And look at that. Look at the rebound. I'm looking at the 5-minute on the left. Let me go back to the daily. Look at that V. Look at that V action. It's just the day. That's what happened. That almost looks like the daily with this being December 4th, December 24th. Boom, bam. I guess the market likes V's lately. And now let's go back to AMZN. Yeah, look at that new high today. Man, I wanted to buy a straight call in this position. A straight call for thousands of dollars. And it's just too expensive. It's just too expensive. Yeah, but you know, today is a good day. These are my these are my positions. If you can kind of, you know, I'm up right there, you know, so yeah, so I'm doing pretty good on that. And yeah, I'll go tap it again. I like AMZN. Let's see where it's gonna go. It's going to go just by looking at this chart. I just pulled up the monthly real quick. It's going to all-time highs. I'm calling it right now. It's March 1st, 2:11 p.m. Let's pull up the weekly. I mean, that's a strong revert. Look at that, man. This is beautiful, especially if it clears this. Remember what I was just talking about early in the video? If it clears that resistance, it's going up to all-time highs. There's some here, but no, I really think because a lot of the there's a lot of stocks that's doing it already. Remember I was showing you when was I showing you PayPal yesterday? I mean, yeah, why can't AMZN do that? Look at it, it's just all-time high today. Stock is just ripping. What? Oh, what is this? Consolidation right here? Huh? Huh? Oh, a whole year's worth? Didn't do nothing for the most part. Up, down. I mean, if you bought here in the beginning of the year, you made no money all year unless you sold up. You didn't do that, right? So now it's making its money. Yeah, and that's what's going on that's what's going to happen with Tesla, but it's a 3-year thing. So, all right, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching this video. Yo, look at I'm on Periscope. I'm live, and hopefully this is clear. This is what I was working on. I'm sorry about that. My light died on you, so I hope it's pretty good. But thanks for watching anyway. Hey, let's come back tomorrow and see what we got. Bye.